The Scenario Manager is found at the top of your page by default. If you need to relocate it, left-click the upper portion of this menu and position it where you want it. It's also going to record how long it takes you to complete the job, and it's going to give you information about how many problems are left before you can send the invoice. It's also going to note how many critical issues were found in order to boot the system. The three icons at the bottom of this menu will allow you to get more information about the problem or cancel the job. If we click the Ask icon, the event viewer down here will give us a little bit more information about what the problem is. The customer says that it cannot detect the hard drive. If we still don't know, we can click the tip icon. Clicking on the tip icon will charge the player $1, but it will confirm a little bit more about the problem. It says check the data cables, they may be broken. If you need to cancel the scenario because you're not sure what's going on or you just don't want to deal with it, you're going to get charged $30 to reset it. But clicking on the X icon will reset the scenario. Once all of the problems have been fixed, two additional icons will show to the right of the job panel, one of which is Boot the System and the other is Send Invoice. If we click Boot System, it's going to turn the computer on to allow us to view what's going on. It's also going to show the boot menu. But if we want to complete the job and get another one, click on the Send Invoice. Doing this will allow you to get XP and money and then get another job. Now that the next scenario started, you'll now have a refreshed panel that resets the time and the problem information. You'll now notice that there's no critical components that have failed on the system, so it's showing 0 out of 60 boot issues. This allows us to boot the computer. More than likely, the problem is related to something such as a screw or a panel or something that's not a critical component of the computer hardware.